Welcome to our tutorial, How to use R for research. In this session, we teach you analysis of variance or ANOVA in R programming. At the beginning, let's create some data. Then create data frame from group and value. We name it df1. That's our data. And the same way creating the second data frame. By using ggplot2 package, at the beginning we display our data by using geom_boxplot function, the x data group and y data value. That's how our data looks like. We have A1, A2 and 3. For ANOVA test, we have one-way ANOVA. It could be used for examining statistical significant difference between two sample means. The function is A or V. We name it df1 ANOVA. A or V between value and tilde symbol, then group. The data is df1, data frame 1. That's the result. We have residuals, residual standard error, and so on. We can display the summary of our ANOVA result by using summary function with the name of the output of ANOVA. Now we have f value and p value of f. Instead of all results, we can extract only p value and f value from the summary of ANOVA. That's f value 0.64 and p value 0.5. For interpretation, the output of the ANOVA, main important thing is p value. So if the p value smaller or equal to alpha, let's say 0.05, it means the difference between some of the means are statistically significant. In contrast, if p value greater than alpha, let's say 0.05, it means that the difference between the means are not statistically significant. In our case, p value of data frame 1 was bigger than 0.05, so we cannot reject the null hypothesis, which is means are equal. We have two-way ANOVA. The style of two-way ANOVA, AOV function dependent, then S factor independent, multiplied by S factor, the second independent, and the name of data file. Let's test two-way ANOVA. We name it df2.ANOVA using AOV function to find ANOVA between value and group multiplied by year, and the data is df2. Finding summary of ANOVA. Now we have f value and p value of f for both group, year, and so on. To extract only p value and f value, now we have the f value of group 1.6 and p value 0.27. For analysis of covariance, instead of multiply first variable by second variable, we say the first variable, which is group, plus year. Then finding the summary of ANOVA, extracting f value and p value. Also, we have TQHST, which stands for TQ honest significant differences. It could be used to finding details of ANOVA between each group. For example, A2 and A1, A3 and A1, A3 and A2. That's the end of today's session, ANOVA in our program.